Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to be building my first ever custom keyboard. As always, please subscribe and like because it helps me out a lot. Timestamps will be in the description below as well as product links, and I plan on making more custom keyboard videos in the future. Enjoy! The materials I'm going to use is regular painter's tape for the tape mod. For lubing, I have super lube oil for springs and 205 grade 0 for stabs and switches. I have actually 2 packs of Deskies films, but I'm only going to use one. It's just for future use. And I got this toolkit that has a stem holder, a brush, a switch opener, and that's it, I think, for about $10 on Amazon. And these switch trims are $10 a piece with shipping on DaVinci. So for the actual materials, I have the GMMK PRO kit. I have a 8008 keycap set. It's like a clone. It's only $35. It's PBT, and it's not the highest quality, but I still really like it. And switches, I already put them in. They're Gateron KS3 yellows. Some people think that these are the best version of Gateron yellows, but it's subjective, so it's debatable.
What are those?
So the first step I took was Holee modding the stabs and lubing it with Krytox 205 grade 0. But as you can see, the stock stabs had so much factory lube on it that it took me a while to take off. Let me know in the comments below if I did a good job on these stabs, because I don't really have anything to compare it to. So, I have to admit, I definitely overlubed my switches. It's not too overlubed, but it's pretty noticeable. My advice to you is that if you're a beginner and you want to learn to lube your switches properly, try to use as little lube as possible. And always remember that
the key to lubing is less is more.
some mods I did were the tape mod, replacing the bottom case foam with PE foam, the triple gasket mod, and I did not use all of the screws to allow for more flexibility and to make it easier to open and close. A little update on the screws. I'm using all 4 for the acrylic diffuser on the side, and for the small ones up top, I'm using every other one. So this one has one, this one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one has one, and this one doesn't. Yeah. And for the 4 main screws, 8 that go on the bottom of this, I'm gonna be using all 8 of them, but not screwing them in fully.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.